Hello friends, how are you? A man or a woman is the product of his environment. We are the product of our environment. The Bible shows that very clearly in the life of Saul. The Bible says that one day Samuel sent Saul to join the prophets. And the Bible says when he joined the company of the prophets, he started prophesying. Now, Saul wasn't a prophet, but when he joined the company of the prophets, he started prophesying. So what does that tell us? It tells us that our spiritual environment plays a big role in our lives. Our spiritual environment shapes our lives. This is why you don't want to miss Sunday's teaching. I'm going to teach on the importance of a spiritual family. Why is it important to be connected with other people who are serving God and how they can impact our lives positively so we can move forward? Make sure you don't miss the opportunity Sunday. I'm going to teach on that, and I'm going to give you the opportunity to be connected to a spiritual family. God bless you. I'll be waiting for you guys on Sunday, 6 a.m. in French, 8 in Creole, and 11 in English. Love you all. Bye-bye.